Good evening, my dear student. Today I am going to start a brand new session for class 12th mathematics. In this session, I have selected 100 most important questions from the CBSE question bank by Arient publication. As you can see, I have read this book 1000 times, and I strongly believe and confidently say that if you will practice these type of question, definitely you will score 100 marks. And who have not read even a single chapter, they can also understood this question, because I will explain from zero to infinite every concept, every point and every formula. So now, without wasting time, I am going to start that question. I want to say one thing more, that I have started this question and the question code is MIQ1. It means most important question number 1 for 2026 board examination for class 12th. The question is, if y equals to log x plus root under x square plus a square, then so that x square plus a square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx equals to 0. If you will see your question bank, you will see this question I have asked in 13th, 17th, 19th, 22, 24, 25 and many other board examinations. That's why I have taken these questions. So now, without wasting my time, I am going to start this powerful session. What I have y equals to log x plus root under x square plus a square. Now, on differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get dy by dx equals to d log x plus root under x square plus a square by dx. But instead of x, there is x plus root under x square plus a square. So by the chain rule here, I have to write x plus root under x square plus a square. And here I have to differentiate again this term, x plus root under x square plus a square with respect to x. Now, dy by dx equals to, you know the differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. D log x by dx equals to 1 by x. But instead of x, there is x plus root under x square plus a square. So here you have to write 1 by x. Instead of x, you have to write x plus root under x square plus a square. And here are two functions. So every functions you have to differentiate separately. So dx by dx plus d root under x square plus a square by dx. The next term will be dy by dx equals to 1 by x plus root under x square plus a square. Dx by dx is 1, and you know the differentiation of root x, d root x by dx equals to d root x by dx equals to 1 by 2 root x. The differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Instead of x, here is x square plus a square. So by the chain rule, you can write it x square plus a square by d. Here, instead of x, you have to write this x square plus a square. And again, you have to differentiate x square plus a square by dx. I think you understood very well. Dy by dx equals to, same term here I have to write, so x plus root under x square plus a square, and here is 1 plus root x. The differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So here is 1 by 2 root x square plus a square, because instead of x there is x square plus a square. And here is differentiation of x square will be 2x, and the differentiation of a is constant will be 0. So the next term will be dy by dx equals to 1 by x plus root under x square plus a square into 1 plus 2x by 2 root under x square plus a square. Here 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So the next term will be dy by dx equals to 1 by x plus root under x square plus a square into, here if you will take the LCM you will get here x square plus a square, here is 1, and you will get here x square plus a square plus x. Now here is same term, x plus root under x square plus a square and x plus root under x square plus a square. So same term will be cancelled, and you will get here dy by dx equals to 1 by root under x square plus a square, and by the cross multiplication you will get x square plus a square dy by dx equals to 1. On differentiating both sides with respect to x again. Why? Because I have to find d square y by dx square term. So how we will find? Again I have to differentiate. So on differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get, here is d root under x square plus a square dy by dx equals to d1 by dx. Here is u into v, two functions. When two functions are given in product form, then you have to use one formula, du into v, you know that, and du into v equals to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. By this formula, we can write it d, first u. What is u? Root under, here u is root under x square plus a square, v is dy by dx, u dv by dx plus v means dy by dx, b du by dx, u means root under x square plus a square by dx equals to d1 by dx. The differentiation of constant will be 0. So root under x square plus a square, here you can write d square y by dx square, because 2 times differentiation means d square y by dx square, plus dy by dx into, if you when you will differentiate x square plus a square, this is root x, so differentiation of root x will be 1 by 2 root x. Before I have explained this, so you can write it x by root under x square plus a square. So the next term will be equals to 0. I have to write here. Here is x square plus a square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx divide by root under x square plus a square equals to 0. Now on multiplying both sides, root under x square plus a square, on multiplying both sides, multiplying both sides by root under x square plus a square, you will get root under x square plus a square whole square because 2 times, and d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx, and numerator also will be x square plus a square because we are multiplying, and denominator already it is there, x square plus a square, so same term will be cancelled, equals to 0. And now this is final answer, x square plus a square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx equals to 0. So you have seen, students, in this question there are many concepts and many formulas. If you will practice these type of questions, really you can score a good marks even you have not read even a single chapter. So please share this video to more students that they can take help of this video, and before 9th of March, because your exam will be start on 9th of March, before 9th of March I will explain all the 100 questions that I have selected. Thank you so much for watching.